In this video, we're going to talk about AMD. They just reported their earnings, and Q4 was a solid print. However, the stock sold off based on their data center sales. Now, we're going to zoom out to the monthly chart, and the chart suggesting prices going lower. Why? Well, you have this monthly buy level just below roughly $22. And that's where all the liquidity is at as well. This is where all the big money is looking to get long. Now, before we go down to the weekly chart, because I want to show you a level that held, then broke. And if I am correct, it's this wick over wick. And we'll look at that on the weekly time frame. Let's get into the actual results. So Advanced Micro Device reported better than expected fourth quarter earnings and revenue, but its shares plunged over 10%. After the chip maker forecast a decline in data center sales for current quarter. AMD posted earnings per share of $1.09, edging past analyst estimates of $1.08. Revenue for the quarter reached a record $7.7 billion, surpassing the consensus forecast of $7.54 billion, which marked a 24% increase year over year. Lisa Su, CEO and chair, had the following to say. 2024 was a transformative year for AMD as they delivered record annual revenue and strong earnings growth. However, data center segment annual revenue nearly doubled as EPYC processor adoption accelerated, and they delivered more than $5 billion of AMD Instinct accelerated revenue. Now, during a call with analysts, Lisa Su stated that the company's data center revenue for the quarter is projected to decline by approximately 7%. Compared to the quarter that just ended, this aligns with AMD's broader expectation for a drop in overall revenue. Su did not provide a specific forecast for AI chip sales, but said that AMD anticipates generating tens of billions of dollars in revenue in the next couple of years. Now, analysts at Stifel were somewhat more optimistic in their post-earnings comment, noting they continue to see AMD as well positioned for the AI compute. So, going back to the charts, now we're going to drill down to this weekly time frame. And as you can see, yes, that was a level. If I button that up, you can see how price came down and reacted. However, the likelihood that this was going to reverse price was low because price was making lower lows and lower highs. Now, what do I say? Price is going to decline further? Well, if you look down and go to the left, you see this extended range green candle on above average volume. We're going to see the 100 handle. Again, strong move higher. That's where the volume's at. And it's nested within a monthly buy level. Now, I do want to look at this wick on the daily chart, as that can potentially be a level. Not in love with the price action, but nevertheless, let's see what we can find on the daily chart. This is that weekly zone we saw. Drop basing candles, then a rally out. That was on earnings. All right. So I'm going to move this right here. This is a gap on earnings again. So let's go back out to the weekly chart. Couple things to note on your chart. $100 level. However, I would anticipate price bouncing at this level here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.